Hey guys, welcome back to Kaushik Tech and Gaming, and today we have the MI Super Bass wireless headphones. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So on the front of the box, we get the specifications of the headphones and the picture of the headphones. And on the sides, the name is written, and at the back some more information and the MRP, which is 2200, but you will get this for 1800 on Amazon. So let's just open the box. So here are the headphones. The packaging is not up to the mark. So on opening the polythene, the first thing we get are the accessories, in which the first thing is the user manual, then a USB to micro USB charging cable. The quality is okay, but the length of the cable is not enough. And this is the problem with most of the wireless headphones and earphones. Then an 3.5 mm aux cable, which you can use when your headphones are out of battery. Now comes the headphones, and I would say the looks of the earphones are just amazing. The design of these earphones is unique, and on both the ear cups we get MI branding on a something like plastic mesh and adjustable ear cushions, not the ear cups but the ear cushions, and I have not seen these type of cushions before. The quality of the cushions is very good, and they are made up of resin, not leather but resin, and they are fully made up of black matte finish plastic. Then on the right ear cuff we get 3 buttons, and these buttons are for changing the volume and turning the headphones on and off. And by pressing the power button you can also change the track. Then on the bottom of the ear cuffs you get an LED indicator, an aux port and a micro USB port with an integrated microphone for calling, and another cushion on the neckband. The neckband is also made up of plastic. And the special thing about these headphones is that instead of the ear cuffs, the cushion adjusts for fitting your head. And if you have large heads, then don't worry. These headphones are so flexible and these can fit your heads perfectly. So talking about the audio quality, this earphone has 40 mm driver, which really works well. And if you like heavy bass, then these headphones are for you. The vocals and the highs are also fine, but due to the heavy bass, sometimes the vocals are not clear. But for 1800, these sound good. But after 2 to 3 hours, your ear will start paining, as these are on the ear headphones. As these are made up of plastic, the weight is very less, about 150 grams. And due to their lightweight, you can use these earphones for a long time. The length can also be adjusted by sliding the ear cuffs and can fit any head. It has Bluetooth 5.0 with a wireless range of 10 meters. And the playback time is 20 hours, which may vary depending on the playback conditions, and it takes 2 hours for charging. While playing games, you will experience about 0.5 to 0.7 seconds lag, and if you don't need lag, then you can use the aux cable, and when the aux cable is plugged in, then the Bluetooth will automatically turns off. Now the point comes that, are these headphones worth? Yes, I will definitely recommend these headphones if you are looking for headphones under 1800 rupees, which are lightweight and gives heavy bass. And if you want to buy these headphones, the link is in description. And that's it for the today's video. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button and also hit that whatever. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.